Welcome to our roundup of the best digital calipers available today. Whether you're a professional machinist, engineer, or DIY enthusiast, having a reliable caliper is essential for getting precise measurements every time. We've handpicked the top-rated digital calipers that combine accuracy, durability, and ease of use, making your projects more efficient and your results more reliable. We'll break down each model's key specifications, design highlights, and performance so you can find the perfect caliper for your needs. Don't forget to check the description below for the latest deals and prices. Let's dive in. The first on the list is the Mitutoyo digital caliper. When it comes to precision tools, Mitutoyo is a trusted name among professionals, and this digital caliper lives up to that reputation. Built with stainless steel construction, it delivers an exceptional combination of accuracy and durability. The caliper offers a measuring range of 0 to 6 inches with a resolution of 0.0005 inches, making it ideal for mechanical, metalworking, and industrial applications. What sets it apart is the advanced absolute encoder technology, which eliminates the need for origin resetting after power off. This ensures consistent accuracy every time you turn it on. The large, easy-to-read LCD display enhances usability, allowing you to take quick measurements without squinting or second-guessing numbers. The sliding mechanism is smooth and resistant to dirt and oil, while its fine adjustment thumb wheel provides complete control over movement. Overall, this caliper stands as the gold standard in digital measuring tools, precise, robust, and made to last. Next up is the Vernier LCD digital caliper. This caliper is designed for those who want professional-level precision without breaking the bank. It features a high-resolution LCD display that clearly shows measurements in inches, millimeters, and fractions, making it versatile for various projects. The stainless steel frame ensures durability, while the finely polished surface helps reduce friction for smoother operation. One of its standout features is its automatic on-off function, which helps conserve battery life by turning the display off when not in use and back on when motion is detected. The Vernier LCD caliper provides a measuring range of 0 to 6 inches, perfect for most mechanical and woodworking applications. The large display and intuitive controls make it easy to operate, even for beginners. Overall, the Vernier LCD digital caliper is a dependable and affordable measuring tool that delivers solid accuracy, intuitive operation, and long-lasting value. An excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Next, we have the Shea stainless steel digital caliper. This model brings together durability, advanced features, and a modern design at a competitive price. Built from hardened stainless steel, the Shea caliper is both wear-resistant and corrosion-proof, making it perfect for use in demanding workshop environments. Its measurement range extends up to 6 inches with a resolution of 0.0005 inches, providing precise readings for even the smallest tolerances. The high-contrast digital display makes reading measurements effortless, even under low-light conditions. Another standout feature is its auto-calibration system, which ensures consistent measurement accuracy without frequent manual adjustments. Overall, the Shea digital caliper is an outstanding choice for professionals seeking accuracy and resilience in a rugged design that performs flawlessly in any workshop setting. Next is the Pintity all-metal IP54 digital caliper. Engineered for durability and reliability, this caliper is built entirely from premium stainless steel, giving it both sturdiness and a professional look. Its IP54 protection rating ensures resistance against water splashes and dust, making it ideal for tough working environments. The measuring range extends from 0 to 6 inches, with accuracy up to plus or minus 0.001 inches. One of the key highlights is its large backlit display, which makes readings easy even in poorly lit areas, a feature that professionals will truly appreciate during night shifts or low-light conditions. The Pintity caliper offers 3 measuring modes: inch, millimeter, and fraction, and includes a convenient 0 button for instant resetting at any position. Overall, the Pintity digital caliper combines toughness, precision, and usability, making it a top pick for professionals who need a durable measuring companion in their workshop or lab. The last one on our list is the ET50 150mm digital caliper. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, the ET50 caliper is perfect for everyday measurement needs. Constructed from hardened stainless steel, it delivers a solid feel and lasting durability. It provides a measurement range of up to 150 millimeters, or roughly 6 inches, with accuracy of plus or minus 0.001 inches. Its crystal-clear LCD screen ensures that measurements are easy to read at a glance, and switching between inch and millimeter units is quick and simple. One of its most practical features is the energy-efficient automatic shut-off system, which helps prolong battery life when not in use. It also includes a convenient 0 button for quick resetting during multiple measurements. Overall, the ET50 150mm digital caliper delivers excellent performance and ease of use in a compact, affordable package, making it a reliable option for daily measuring tasks. So, that wraps up our list of the best digital calipers available today. If this video helped you make your decision, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more product reviews and gear recommendations. All product links are listed in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, measure with precision and confidence.